Blackwell.
Who?
Miss Melissa Blackwell.
Do we have any new batteries for the mic?
Yeah.
No batteries?
We need a new microphone.
We need a new mic.
Talk loud.
A new mic? New batteries?
I don't have nothing to say anymore.
Good evening. It's on. Good evening, council. Thank you for, now you turn it on.
Put it closer. Put it closer. The button has to be up.
That's what it was, y'all. Is it on? Is this on now?
Yeah, just talk loud.
Okay, it's hard to do that. Thank y'all for hearing me.
Please state
My name
your-
is Melissa Blackwell. I live at 107 Aaron Loop. I'm not in the city limits, and I'm kind of away from everybody, out of the trees. But I want to share with y'all, I'm here to speak for everybody that's not here. I'm here to speak for the shut-in people. And I'm here to speak for your grandchildren, like Fallon. I'm here to speak for the autistic, the hearing impaired. I am a registered nurse, and I'm here to tell you that any place that there are people located, I'm sorry, Mr. Scroggins, can you hear me? Because you ain't paying attention. Affects you too. When living things are exposed to noise, it doesn't have to be loud, doesn't have to be all the time. It doesn't even have to be continuous. When we are exposed to noise, it changes us. It will shorten lifespans. How much of a year, how much of it is worth to you? A year of your life, a life of your wife, or your grandchildren. If there's any service animals on Jansky Lane, they'll be gone because animals are smart enough to leave. We're the only ones that train ourselves to live in situations that we don't belong. Because we're smart, right? It causes cardiovascular effects. It causes mental health effects. How many veterans homes do we have here? How many people do we have with post-traumatic stress syndrome that fought for our freedom? Are we going to treat them like that? Mr. Scroggins, are we going to treat those people like that?
Ma'am, you're pointing at the wrong person. I haven't had anything to do
Well,
with
you're
it.
just not even looking like you're interested in what I'm saying. She's speaking to you.
And I'm listening. You speaking to all these people as well?
I am. I'm speaking
They're
for
paying
you.
attention at least.
I am.
Yes, I'm
very much.
speaking for you.
You can respect her enough to
All
look
right,
at
let's
her.
move on or you're going to lose your time. Let's go.
It has been done for centuries that noise has been used as a means of torture. If you take away these people's financial ability to sell their homes, and that's exactly what's going to happen when that mine starts up. Nobody wants to buy a house next to a crypto mine, especially from a company that has been false in what they've said to others. This is a pervasive pattern in West Virginia, in North Carolina, in New York, Georgia, Kentucky, Tennessee. There's a reason these are banned in China.
That's right. That's right.
Environmental impact and the impact on their people. Of course, they would never publish anything like that and share it with anybody. Thank you so much.